Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Instinct 2X Solar GPS. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the control button located on the top left. You can then navigate through the various menus using the up and down buttons on the left side. To select an option, simply press the GPS button on the top right. If you need to go back, the ABC button on the bottom left will take you to the previous screen. It's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. One of the standout features of the Instinct 2X is its impressive solar charging. To maximize this, ensure the watch face is exposed to direct sunlight whenever possible. You can easily monitor the solar intensity and your current battery life through a dedicated widget on the watch. With just 3 hours of direct sunlight per day, you can extend your battery life significantly, potentially reaching up to 40 days in smartwatch mode, making it ideal for extended adventures. The Instinct 2X is a powerful tool for outdoor activities. To start tracking, simply press the GPS button and choose from a wide array of preloaded activity profiles, such as running, hiking, or cycling. Its multi-band GPS technology provides superior positioning accuracy, even in dense forests or deep canyons. Once your activity is complete, you can review detailed metrics like distance covered, average pace, and heart rate directly on your watch, giving you valuable insights into your performance. Beyond the basics, the Instinct 2X offers a suite of advanced features. You can delve into training metrics like VO2 max and recovery time to optimize your workouts. Personalize your experience by customizing watch faces, data fields, and widgets to display essential information. The integrated flashlight, with its 4 different intensity levels and red safety light, is incredibly handy. Plus, syncing with the Garmin Connect app unlocks deeper data analysis and a vibrant community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.